how to create new Brawl Stars or Supercell account. To create a Brawl Star or a Supercell account after you launch the Brawl Stars game, I currently don't have an account, so maybe I want to create one. It's very simple. You just have to tap the three horizontal lines icon from the top right hand side, and there you can see the option called settings. So just go there. From settings, if you come here, you can see the option Supercell ID on the bottom left. So go to Supercell ID. Here it's going to ask us if you already have a Supercell ID. So if you do, you can just log yourself directly. But if you don't, tap on create new ID. It will take you over here where you have to use a valid email address. So you can tap the continue button. Just enter the email address under which you'd like to use your Supercell's account with. Then once done, you can go ahead and then just tap on the create button. After that, it might ask you for a confirmation code that will be sent to your email. So just go ahead and then make sure to enter your confirmation code as well. In my case, I've already received the code, so let me just type that in right here. Once I've done that, I'll tap the submit button. And finally, it will also ask me to choose a unique player ID, so I can do that. Then I can tap the continue button. I can choose a certain avatar of my choice right here. And once I've chosen a certain avatar, I can also go ahead and choose a background. Then I can tap the continue button again. Then as you can see, I have successfully created my Supercell ID. If you have some cards you want to activate, if you want to basically add or invite some friends, you can do so, or some of your games as well. But this way you can create a Supercell ID. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.